In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix delayed emails in Yahoo Mail. We'll start at the very beginning and walk through a few simple checks that usually clear up delivery delays quickly. First, open your web browser and go to yahoo.com. This ensures you're starting from the official homepage. Once you're there, look toward the top right of the page and click Sign In. Enter your login details carefully, making sure there are no typos. If you've saved your login in the browser, double check that you're signing in to the correct account so you're looking at the right inbox. After you're signed in, click the mail or envelope icon in the top right to open Yahoo Mail. When your mailbox loads, click on Inbox to view your incoming messages. If you've been noticing that emails aren't arriving when they should, don't worry, there are a few quick things you can do right now. Start by refreshing your inbox. In Yahoo Mail, you can use the refresh or check mail button or simply refresh the page in your browser. This forces Yahoo to fetch any messages that might be queued up. Give it a few seconds after each refresh to let new messages populate. If you do see new emails appear, that's a good sign that the delay was temporary. If refreshing doesn't help, the next thing to try is clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Over time, cached files can cause pages to behave unpredictably, including delaying updates in your inbox. Open your browser settings, find the section for privacy or history, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Select cached images and files and cookies and other site data. Keep in mind that clearing cookies will sign you out of most sites, so be ready to sign back in to Yahoo afterward. Once cleared, close and reopen your browser, return to yahoo.com, sign in again, and check your inbox. Finally, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can make it seem like emails are delayed when the page just isn't updating. Try loading a couple of other websites to make sure everything is responsive. If pages are slow to load or fail to refresh, stabilize your connection, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network or plug in with Ethernet if you can, and then return to Yahoo Mail and refresh the inbox again. Those three actions, refreshing the inbox, clearing cache and cookies, and confirming your connection, resolve most cases of delayed emails. Follow them in order, and you should see your messages arrive on time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Yahoo Mail back up to speed.